Thanks to Scribe for sponsoring this video. More about them later. Communicating complex information is becoming harder and harder to do, not because we've become less intelligent, but because there's so much noise and distraction around us, we don't have the mental space to focus on a complex topic. As soon as we open our phone, there's notification after notification for social media posts, emails, videos, and instant messages. We open our computer and there are documents that need reviewing and approving. We walk into a meeting and there are questions thrown at us, updates that we need to give, and business decisions that need to be made yesterday. In this chaotic, time-pressed world, as a leader, when you need to communicate complex information to people who have minimal focus, how can you do it in a way that cuts through all of that noise? How can you communicate complex information so clearly people not only understand your message, but they walk away thinking that you are brilliant? Well, it all starts with how you structure your communication. Structure is the core of communicating complex information clearly, and it's essential if you want people to think that you are knowledgeable and brilliant about the topic that you're talking about. When you communicate with structure, you make learning and understanding easy because your communication follows a logical pattern that minimizes misunderstanding, and it doesn't require too much brain power for the listener to follow along. And when something is easy for the listener or the learner to understand, they walk away from that situation feeling intelligent themselves because they've been able to understand that complex topic. Plus, they see you as incredibly smart because you were able to simplify that complex information and explain it to them in a clear way. But this doesn't happen automatically. Most people, when they communicate complex information, they do it in a jumbled, muddled kind of way where their ideas are all a tangled mess. And when you communicate like this, there is no chance that your listener is going to understand what you tell them. What I found has helped me immensely to organize my thoughts and to have clearer communication is to use communication frameworks like the pyramid principle, like the problem solution benefit, or McKinsey's SCR communication framework. All of these are really effective communication models for leaders that will help you to structure your complex idea in a logical way so you can communicate that idea clearly to your listener. When you start to communicate your complex information, highlighting why it's important for your listener to pay attention will mean the difference between them falling asleep and them sitting on the edge of their seats, eager to hear what you have to say next. Because most of the time, when people are listening to complex information being explained to them, they won't freely process that complex information unless they understand why it's important for them to do so. We only have limited brain power in a day, and we generally reserve and apply our limited brain power to things that we know are important for us to process. So if your audience does not understand why it's important for them to listen and to understand what you're trying to explain to them, why it's important for them to understand this complex information you're trying to tell them, they'll end up doing one of two things. They'll decide to tune out at the very beginning and not listen to anything that you say, or they might politely listen to you, but as soon as the conversation is over, the information you've shared with them will be immediately forgotten and it won't be processed any further. So whenever you have complex information to share with other people, make sure you put yourself in your audience's shoes and ask yourself, why should they care about this information you are trying to explain to them? Why is it important for them to listen and to remember this complex information you're trying to tell them? And when you find just one compelling reason, that's all you need, just one compelling reason as to why they should care, why they should listen to you, make sure you put this one compelling reason at the very beginning of your communication piece to grab their attention. By the way, this is a really great strategy to use if you ever do public speaking or if you need to present complex information to your work colleagues. Make sure you put the compelling reason at the very beginning of your presentation. Now, when you're explaining complex information, you don't have to do it all verbally either. I found that when I'm explaining something complex like a workflow or a process to someone, showing them how to do it helps them to learn and to remember that process much better. Plus, it also eliminates a common issue that many managers and leaders face of having to explain the same thing over and over again because the learner didn't understand it when you explained it to them the first time. And this is where today's video sponsor Scribe makes the life of us managers and leaders so much easier. Because whenever you're showing someone how to do a workflow, Scribe records that workflow in real time as you perform it and automatically builds a step-by-step guide that anyone can follow, no extra effort required. Since I discovered Scribe, I've been using it for so many things, but just to give you one example, whenever I need to show someone how to complete a performance review tracking spreadsheet, I open up Chrome where I have the Scribe Chrome extension installed. I hit capture, I do the process once, and Scribe instantly turns the process into a step-by-step guide with screenshots and text automatically. This is such a time saver for me because before, if I wanted to teach someone how to perform this task, I would bounce back and forth between performing the task and capturing every step in a separate document, which takes a lot of time. But since I've been using Scribe, I've eliminated all of this back and forth, and as soon as Scribe produces the guide, I can share it anywhere in seconds via a link, a download, or a PDF. Plus, the Guide Me feature pulls Scribes straight into your browser with interactive step-by-step walkthroughs. See exactly where to click and move through each step as you go. And if I need to update something in the guide, it automatically updates for everyone who has access. No need to reshare it. So if you want to work smarter and move faster, just like over 5 million already do with Scribe, then head to scribe.how/Kara or click the link in the description to get started for free. You can also get even more features with Scribe Pro. Some people try to communicate complex information by being brief. Great. Getting straight to the point does help your listener to understand easily and quickly. However, a common challenge that many people face when trying to be brief is that you might remove important information the listener actually needs to know about, causing your core message to lose substance. So let me expand on this. Communication is often a mix of detail and noise. Detail is the core information or the key information that your listener needs to know about in order to understand that complex information. This is information that cannot be removed. If it is removed, your listener will not understand your core message and they'll be confused as to the complex information you're trying to explain to them. Noise, on the other hand, is unnecessary information or distraction that enters into your communication, making it harder for the listener to understand what you're trying to tell them. This could be extra information, it could be jargon or filler words, it could be environmental distraction like a machinery or a phone, things that basically make focus and understanding for the listener much harder. Now, sometimes when you're trying to make your communication simple and clear, you might remove too much detail. Remember, this is the important information your listener needs to know about in order to understand your message. If you remove too much detail, your communication becomes unclear because there aren't enough information points for your listener to link everything together in a coherent way. So make sure you keep the core detail of the complex information you're trying to communicate. This is the important information the listener will need to know about in order to link everything together and understand it clearly. You can leave out the noise, you can leave out the distraction, you can leave out information or things that are not essential to the listener understanding your core message. Basically, a good rule to follow here is if there is no link between what you want to say and the core message, if there's no link there, then that is something that you can leave out of your communication piece. No matter how practiced you are at communicating complex information, you will benefit every time if you encourage feedback or questions or comments from your audience. Because it can be very difficult to know if the information you're sharing is being received and understood clearly and well by your audience. You're not inside their heads. You don't know what they understand. You don't know what they remember. The only way you're going to find that out is if you actually ask them, is if you get some kind of feedback from them. Encourage your audience to ask you questions. Encourage them to stop you halfway through and to ask you questions if they don't understand. Say to them, I'm aware that this can be a difficult concept to grasp, so feel free to stop me and ask me questions if you don't understand anything. Encourage people to give you feedback after the communication opportunity. Ask a trusted coworker to tell you what information was missing or what other information could have been included to aid everyone's understanding. And before the communication opportunity, if you don't have anyone else to lean on to see if your communication is clear or not, you can try to write yourself what you're going to explain to another person. Then read back what you are going to explain, and the way you're going to explain it, read it back to see if it's coherent, if it's logical, if it has a good structure, if it's easy to follow, if it's easy to understand. Writing, I think, is actually one of the most important and one of the most helpful things to organize your thoughts and to communicate complex information clearly. I talk much more about writing in this video up here, which I think you will definitely benefit from after you finish this one. Thank you so much to all my channel members for helping to support my channel and helping me to create these videos for my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful for your support. Thank you to everyone who is watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some great tips from it, and I will see you next week in another video.